A massive dynamite blast rocked Karnataka's Shivamogga town, in which 8 people tragically were killed. The blast occurred in a stationary vehicle at around 10:15 p.m. yesterday in a declared zone for crusher operations at Shivamogga's Hunasodu village. At least 7 people have been killed. The quarry owner and dynamite supplier have been arrested for alleged negligence. The reason for the blast is still not known, and an investigation has been launched. The density of the blast was so huge that it was heard almost across several taluks around Shivamogga, and tremors were also felt. The noise was so loud that glass in many houses was also shattered. Chief Minister Yediyurappa, who is from the area, has ordered a high-level inquiry and announced 5 lakh rupee compensation to the families of the deceased. He will be visiting the site tomorrow. Prime Minister Modi has also expressed condolences over the deaths. In a tweet, the Prime Minister said he's pained by the loss of lives in Shivamogga and is praying that the injured recover soon. The state government is providing all possible assistance to the affected, he said.
Prime Minister has tweeted also.
Taken action, and our Minister Murugesh Nirani is on the way to that spot, and our MP Raghavendra is already yesterday night, even the morning he is there only.
Okay.
And tomorrow I am going to visit, and we are going to give relief about 5 lakhs each family.
Okay.
And enquiry is going on. Afterwards we will take the appropriate decision.
Total how many deaths as of now?
It will be about 4 to 5.
Prime Minister also tweeted and he said, I'm in touch with the state authorities. What is the communication?
He has been in touch, and he has been really worried about the whole thing. So he has asked us to, to inquire the whole thing and rehabilitate and help the people who have lost their lives.
Any compensation that you're planning?
CM will decide on that.
And India Today's Nolan Pinto is one of the only journalists at the site. He's been reporting from there since earlier today. Nolan, what's the update on the investigation into this horrifying blast in which so many people have been killed?
Shiv, the only question that everyone wants to know is whether this was a case of negligence or whether this was an accident. And this is the only question we have been asking all the politicians, all the police officials who have actually come over here. What they say is that since the Chief Minister has already initiated a high-level inquiry into this particular incident, they will only be able to tell us after the investigation is over. In fact, none of the officials, Shiv, were allowed to come to this area in the morning unless and until the bomb squad from Bangalore or Bengaluru came over here. They wanted to sanitize the entire area. Imagine, this is what we are told, some 50 boxes of gelatin sticks were in that particular truck. There were 2 vehicles, a truck and a jeep, both of them completely mangled. That's it. And the only way that we could go over there basically was just 500 meters standing on a hillock.
Yes.
And we could actually see the mangled remains. And when we reached over here, Shiv, the last 3 bodies were actually being taken in an ambulance after the bomb squad actually said that the health officials could enter. So we have to wait for the investigation to complete to know whether this was just an accident or whether this was a case of negligence.
Thanks very much, Nolan. Was there an accident? Was it negligence? Hopefully, the truth will be known soon. The lives of 8 people is in the balance, and they and their families need answers for this horrifying tragedy in Shivamogga. The Chief Minister will be there tomorrow. Nolan, thanks for getting us that update.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.